There's... Oh. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Hello? Oh my god! Oh my god! Run! Wow. Guys, where the fuck are you? Where? Marco.
Come over here. Hello.
Hello.
Polo.
Marco.
Marco.
You meant to say
Polo.
Polo.
Marco.
That's not how it works.
Holy Christ, we got banking.
I got a key.
Well, everything that's on the ground is worth 338, and everything up here is worth 219.
Let's go again, baby. We still got one more day, so yeah, let's have a look.
This is the last day. We have to sell now.
Oh. But we saved the pickles. We saved pickles. We must save the pickles. That's where the pickles will stay now. You better put that fucking away.
Holy Christ, we got 382 out of 300.
Put that away. Don't you fucking dare. I'm selling the laser pointer. It's not really worth it thinking about it.
No, I think it does something to one of the enemy types there.
I can't pick it up. I can't pick it up.
I think that's everything.
Don't sell the pickle jar. Don't do it.
Oh,
What?
did it 5 times.
Whoa. You edging it more? Motherfucker.
I just got taken.
We just left Connor.
What happened to Connor?
Nothing.
Fucking left him behind. Oh my god, we've lost so much money just because you fucking just casually walked away. God damn it, God. And fuck you, Tyler.
See, I was looking at the Easter eggs in this fucking game.
There's Easter eggs.
Oh.
You didn't say anything, you just casually jumped off, so. Wait, we need to find a location now.
Oh, you can buy jetpacks.
Get the fuck off the terminal, Tyler. Do not buy a jetpack, please, for the love of God. We need that money. I swear to God, if I hear this cha-ching, Tyler, oh, what did you buy? How much money, Logan, how much money did we have?
The jetpack.
We had like 700, 600.
Get off the terminal.
We had 830.
Oh my God.
I get the jetpack. I'm kidding, I bought a flashlight. It was the cheapest thing. In the
We
world.
have flashlights, you fucking idiot!
No, not enough, you know?
You stupid. Stupid.
So,
What said you put them back? We don't even know if we need them yet.
I like to keep one on me.
Although I should anyway if we die.
Okay, can't see. You didn't say anything, so I was assuming that you just fucking despawned. What the fuck are those?
Despawned IO.
Can I smack you one more time?
I don't fucking understand you guys.
Wait, no, Adam, come
No,
back here.
I'm not. Fuck off. I know you're gonna kill me. Oh my god. Guys, there's a creature outside. I'm not even joking. There is a fucking... Why? Oh my god. Okay, let's just go. Yeah, let's...
Did Logan just die?
Yeah.
Hold on. Wait.
No, it's too late. He's dead.
Wait.
He's dead, dude. If you look on the
We
fucking...
can get his body.
$5 fucking dollars. It's too
Exactly.
late.
I
said There's a monster outside. Why would you go investigate?
I smacked Connor to death.
Why, dude? That's just gonna make us lose more money.
Nah.
Yes, it will. Well,
Nah.
casual. Look, Jew, 102 casualties. You fucking dumbass.
God damn it.
I was the laziest employee, and I'm the most paranoid. Dude, it sounds like that fucking moan clip. You know the moan clip?
Oh man, you're way too close.
Pepper spray!
We got a lot of shit here, but I don't think it's gonna reach
Reach
the...
the code. Tyler.
Oh no. I want out, I want out, I want out, I want out. I want out.
No silence.
Fuck you guys. Dude, okay, I'm not gonna lie. I'm schizophrenic right now. I just heard a fucking girl say hey. I am
Yeah,
fucking schizophrenic.
You heard that too?
Yeah, did you hear that? What was that?
Nuh-uh.
Well,
Like, oh my god, you fucking scared the shit out of me. You scared the shit out of me. Oh! Don't look at him, don't look at him, don't look at him, don't look at him, don't look at him. He will fucking kill you.
I'm leaving.
Okay, I'm gonna continue. Uh-huh.
wait, so if you look at him, he'll kill
Oh,
him.
there's... No. If you look at him for like X amount of minutes, he will kill you.
Are you meant to look at him or no?
You can when he's like approaching you, but if he's sitting still, don't look at him. But keep your eye on... But keep an eye on him. Watch out for the slime, by the way. It's rapidly approaching you.
It's approaching me, what do you mean?
Where did
I said rapidly approaching you! I didn't say...
Oh, I heard me, I was like, what?
No, I said
Oh,
you.
it's spawn camping me, bruh.
Just use the rails, bruh. Just keep an eye on your back because he can break your neck. I have Bell. I got Bell. Yeah, I am below you right now.
What?
Yeah, I am currently looking around for scrap. Hey guys. Fuck's sake.
Oh.
But I really wish the fire exit was anywhere but at the start. Because we have to get past the flower, the goop, and the bloody spider now to get out.
The flower?
The flower did. That's what the neck snappy thing is. Oh, come here.
I can
Come
get that.
here. I kind of just want to leave.
Oh my god, Tyler.
I'm okay with that.
Tyler!
Need to collect Homeboy's body.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Hey, Logan, you know when I said hey on the radio?
I think.
Yeah, my neck instantly snapped
Yeah,
afterwards.
because that's when I said hey, and I didn't get a response.
I said hey, and then I see hands going around my face. But Tyler, your scream.
Holy Christ, we lost so much.
Yeah, that's a bit of a shame.
You know, Tyler got snatched like a kid in a playground building.
We gotta wait for the
someone
thing,
stole it.
remember?
Yeah, I think it comes around like 8:35. I think.
Oh, Tyler, can you go back to the ship and do the scan thing? I'm just curious on how much money. Type scan into the console.
Yeah. The adults need to have a chat. You big peepee.
Small PP.
Why are you so mean, bro? Why are you so fucking mean?
It's not mean, it's the truth.
568.
Oh, he called your
that's
cock
not
small,
funny.
by the way.
It's not the What the heck, man?
He said it. I didn't. I said that you have the
Roll
biggest
play for that
peepee.
one.
There's nothing here. Is that? Do I hear slime? Key. Oh, never mind. Fire exit. There's nothing else in here. There's just 2 bits of scrap. Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Clarence! It's Clarence! No, it's fine, he's fine. Just don't go near his stuff. It's fine. Clarence is chill if you just don't go near his stuff.
You want me to take it then?
Yeah, I'm coming. I just don't have any sprint. And I'm
do.
weighing 119 pounds.
If you drop it, I can take it.
You're such a fat fuck.
Fuck.
I really wanted to play you.
Adam behind. Yes.
Why? 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 My flashlight!
I didn't know you got down.
My flashlight! We had so much time left! Why?
I was trying to scare.
Oh, the fucking flashlight's gone.
It's fine, we can buy another one.
To sell your scrap metal and other goods.
I'm not
Found the spider.
really.
Yeah, he's
Wait.
on the outside of the door.
I found him.
He is looking at you.
Hey Tyler, you want to come to me quickly?
Yeah, I can do. I was just waiting for
Alright.
What did he say?
He's covering his way. I don't know what he said. I'm edging the spider. Tyler, do you hear me? Tyler, come to my sound. Come to me, Tyler. Come touch the spider. I name him Clarence as too. Oh, you fucker. Tyler, if you hear me.
I think he's dead.
I think he's dead, yeah. Clarence too got him. Wow. Sorry, I didn't bring that over. Have you heard of a thing called unlimited bacon but no games? And unlimited games but no games? That's not a response I was looking for. I was not looking for a moan. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Logan, do not do not come through the door. Do not come through. It's big stocky man, or flower man, as you call him.
That's what he is.
He's not. He's stocky. I lost him. He's over there somewhere. Ooh, rubber ducky. Rubber ducky. Do we just call it there because this is absolute really dog shit?
Yes.
How you feeling, Tyler? What is it? What's going on with you?
He drunk milk, I think, juice, water, and then alcohol.
You're an actual idiot.
I drank alcohol, then milk, then juice, then
You
water.
know the combination
And
with
then-
juice
no.
and I'm a leader now for some reason.
But I've been hurt way before that. That's why I started drinking alcohol.
Hey Logan, look at my
But then I
badge.
wanted a drink because before I went to the toilets. I was like, milk.
I broke up.
I don't even know,
And
man.
I went to the
Please.
toilet, came back and said, "Oh, my stomach hurt. I need."
Is that why you were?
sugary drink?
That's a terrible
Yeah.
idea. Do you not have any like can of drink, like a can of soda or anything?
That'll make me throw up.
Oh, and then on top of that, he's eating KFC tonight.
You're an actual idiot,
He's eating a lot of.
Oh yeah, I've already had a Pepsi.
dude. Wee.
We can make big bank from this map,
Oh yeah.
like 1400.
Yeah, but you know, it would be more efficient if Tyler could press his like 4 keys and move his mouse.
He feels on.
Press 4 keys. Press 4 fucking keys,
He's hanging in his chair.
bruh.
Oh yeah, weapon baby.
Yeah, I would probably keep that in case the bug shows up.
Yeah.
You could
Oh,
kill. You
wait.
could kill them. Oh, for fuck's sake! Don't let Tyler see that.
Huge.
And there's a fire exit. God damn it! Why? Why?
Maybe later in the bloody map.
It's either we don't find it at all, or it's just fucking right next to the other exit. Ooh, a key. Tyler. There's a monster outside. Be fucking careful. Logan. Blind creature. Be quiet. When
Okay.
going near the ship. He's like above you, I think. It's not worth it. I'll do it. Take the bottle and the stuff. I'll do it.
But then your body.
Yeah,
you know,
but
make us lose money.
no. I'll be fine. He's stuck in the wall. I just don't want to. I'll be quiet. Close the door. Close the door. Holy fucking shit. Holy shit. Oh my god.